Hakim Imdad Hussain and Sons, Bareilly. On Herbal Traders, Sambhal. Hakim Imdad Hussain and Sons, Bareilly. On Herbal Traders, Sambhal. Please give a huge round of applause. Hakim Imdad Hussain and Sons, Bareilly. On Herbal Traders, Sambhal. Please bring the mementos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you to all the business dealers who have received the memento. Moving on, I request our chief guest, Professor Mohammad Gulrez sir, to kindly present the mementos to the following. MA Medical Agencies, Shahjahanpur. Please give a huge round of applause. Al-Karam Unani, Aligarh. Mehtab Dawakhana, Aligarh. Daryabadi Dawakhana, Mumbai. Desi Dawakhana, Tetri Bazar. Please give a huge round of applause to everyone. Desi Dawakhana, Tetri Bazar. Thank you very much, sir. For the following dealers, I request our Registrar Sir and Occupier, Dawakhana Tibbiya College, Professor Asim Zafar Saab, Guest of Honor, Professor Syed Shah Alam Saab, and Special Guest, Professor S.M. Safdar Ashraf Saab, to kindly present the mementos to the following. Unani Medical Store, Gopalganj. Aligarh Dawakhana, Gopalganj. Global Sales, Patna. Hatmi Dawakhana, Bhopal. Rabbani Distributors, Jaipur. Please give a huge round of applause. Hatmi Dawakhana, Bhopal. Rabbani Distributors, Jaipur. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries. Madani Dawakhana, Bengaluru. Tibbiya Medical, Muzaffarnagar. Yusuf Medical, Ahmedabad. Alfi Traders, Barani. Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. Alfi Traders, Barani. Manzar Dawakhana, New Delhi. Madani Dawakhana, Bangalore. Tibbiya Medical, Muzaffarnagar. Please come forward. New Awami, Saharanpur. Please come forward. Thank you everyone. Thank you to all the business dealers for your presence and time. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to all our guests and distributors for their continuous support. Now I request Honorable Vice Chancellor Ma'am, Professor Naima Khatoon for the presiding remarks. Professor Naima Khatoon Ma'am is the first female Vice Chancellor in the history of AMU. Under the visionary leadership of Professor Khatoon, AMU has witnessed remarkable progress in research, governance and student-centric initiatives, making her tenure a milestone in the university. Professor Khatoon is a distinguished academician whose leadership has strengthened institutional growth, inclusivity and academic excellence. It is noteworthy that Professor Khatoon has been elected as the Fellow of prestigious Indian National Science Academy, which in itself is a testimony of her academic intellect and interest. With these words, I feel honored to invite you, ma'am, to enlighten us with your kind words.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. Chief guest of the occasion, Professor Mohammad Gulriz Sahab, Registrar, Professor Asim Zafar Sahab, Dean, Faculty of Unani Medicine, Safdar Ashraf Sahab, MIC Dawakhana, Professor Riaz Sahab, Principal, Tibbiya College, Professor Badruddin Sahab, and all those dignitaries, the guest of honors and the special guest on the stage, and all the distinguished faculty members present here, and the distinguished dealers and distributors that they have joined from different parts of the country. First of all, I must congratulate each one of you for this very successful event that is organized by the Dawakhana Tibbiya College. As you all are aware, the Dawakhana Tibbiya College is progressing leaps and bounds, and we have also, from the last time, I must also congratulate especially to the MIC Dawakhana Tibbiya College for his very hard work and his interest in the person, and for the first time we are moving towards a profit-making business out of the Dawakhana Tibbiya College. And with the launch of this product, I am sure we are going to progress even more and more, and our profit will go with leaps and bounds. I am happy with the cooperation of you all. It will go a long way in establishing one of the modern medicine in the country. And as you all know, there is so much of stress, so much of focus on these alternate medicines, be it Ayurvedic, be it Siddha, be it Unani Tibbiya, and it has become so popular. It has become so popular that all over the world there is a lot of demand. Recently, during my visit to Atlanta, USA, many of the alumni and many of the stakeholders who are in this business, they all came and requested that we must have an import-export license for our Dawakhana Tibbiya College, and there is huge demand in the international market for such kind of products. And inshallah, with your cooperation, with your support, and with the support of particularly the employees of Dawakhana Tibbiya College. I request your cooperation. I know you all are working very hard. I am sure about it, and you will do your best to take it ahead, and it will be a great asset to the Aligarh Muslim University if we do properly do it in the Western. And once again, I express my gratitude to all those research faculties, the special guests of honors, those who have taken the pain to come and join Aligarh Muslim University. And I request the MIC, Dawakhana, to take care of them properly. I hope you are taken care of it by Riyaz Saab. I'm sure he's a good host. And Aligarh Muslim University is known for its hospitality, and I am sure you are taken care of very well. And with these words, I express my gratitude to the entire staff and all those people who are associated with the promotion of Dawakhana Tibbiya College. Thank you so much.
जज़ाकल्लाह खैर। खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है। अब प्रोग्राम की खूबसूरती इख्तिताम तक पहुंचाते हुए हम दावत देते हैं मोहम्मद शारिक आज़म साहब को कि वो स्टेज पर तशरीफ़ लाएं और इज़हार तशक्कुर अदा करें।
Assalamu alaikum, all of you. To behalf of Dawakhana Tibbiya College, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our distinguished guests for gracing the Platinum Jubilee Cum Dear Meet 2025. I express my sincere thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Naima Khatun Ma'am, Chief Guest Professor Muhammad Gulreza, Registrar is also occupier of Dawakhana Tibbiya College, Professor Asim Zafar Saab, Guest of Honor, Professor Gulshan Wadhwa Saab, and Professor Sayyid Shah Alam Saab. Special guest, Dean Faculty of Unani Medicine, Professor S.M.